Hi guys, are you interested to make money up to $20 per hour online only by speaking? Because in this video, I'm going to be reveal to you how you're going to make money up to $20 per hour with VIPkids.com. Before we dive in, welcome to my channel. My name is Zadi Mustafa, and if you want more video on how to make money online, consider subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well. Okay, so let's dive right into our content. So you are actually going to teach kids in China English, right? So if you love kids, I think this is one of the suit career for you to make money online. So as you can see here, this VIPkid also has been featured in Forbes, Fast Company, and this is actually a legitimate way on how to make money online. Also, as you can see here, 600,000 kids in China has been learned English with this company, and 70,000 teachers has been also working with this company. So this is some of the teachers. Let's dive right into the FAQ. I want to show you some FAQ how you're going to get started. So how can I apply if I don't have a bachelor degree? Unfortunately, in order to be a tutor with VIPkid, you have to have a bachelor degree, because this is actually what the parents in China wanted, because they want to make sure that the one who teach their kids is really reliable. They wanted their kids to have really legit knowledge in English, you know. So you have to have a bachelor degrees in order to become a tutor in VIPkids. So also you have to go through the interview. The most important thing that I want to highlight here, you have to have your equipment ready an hour beforehand, because also you have to have some sort of decent equipment, because especially on your internet connection, because they really wanted you to be able to stay at least 30 minutes in the class, because otherwise it's going to be really miserable about the class. The kids, they afraid the kids not going to learn a lot from you if the connection is interrupted. Okay, so also your equipment is going to be evaluated as one part of your approval in your interview. Okay, so become a teacher. How many students do I teach? So you are only going to teach one kids per class. You don't have to worry that you're going to teach a lot of kids. Only one kids per class, and one class is going to be held approximately about 30 minutes. So also the teaching material is going to provide it. What you have to do, you just teach based on the material that they're going to provide you. Maybe you're going to have to be ready beforehand, like 30 minutes the class started. Okay, so the payment, this is the payment. The one that I want you to pay really close attention with is the demo class or the interview, because it also going to determine what is your minimum fee going to be paid, right? So as you can see, the minimum is going to be $7 to $9, but I guess if your demo or your interview pretty decent, maybe you're going to be paid all the way up to the maximum, which is $22 per hour. Okay, so also they're going to provide you some intensive. The intensive is depend on how many classes that you been participate, how many children wanted you to become their teacher, and also how many class that complete with you can complete the class with the kids, because this is the kids. So we're afraid sometimes when they feel that you're not friendly enough, maybe they're going to just terminate or stop the class or whatever. Okay, so it's also important to be as friendly as possible with the kids, because you're going to teach kids. So maybe you have to make a lot of joke or smile a lot during the class and make them really comfortable with you. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. If you really love to be a tutor and love kids, I think VIPkid is the perfect platform for you in order to earn up to $22 per hour online, right? So if you love this kind of video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I see you on my next video. Bye bye.